Hey, Marge, who's my next appointment? It's getting late. Yeah? Okay. Oh, maybe this is her.
Hey.
Hi, come on in. How you doing?
Hey, I'm fine. How are you?
The contractor, right?
Contractor?
Yeah.
No.
No?
I had an appointment with Mr. Hurley.
Oh, yeah, that's me. How you doing?
How you doing? My name is Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
Somebody called in from your office. This is your office, huh?
Yeah. You like it? How you like it?
Very nice. It's roomy.
Yeah.
Very airy.
Pretty spacious.
Really airy. Yeah.
And we knocked the walls out and everything.
I like all the windows.
Yeah.
But someone called from your office, said that you were looking for a jumbo hoe with mistletoe.
Jumbo hoe with mistletoe.
Yeah, see? Mistletoe. Ding, ding.
Okay.
Mistletoe. I'm a jumbo hoe.
Oh, this is one of my friends right there. Hey, man, how you doing?
Hey.
Yeah, well, I don't think we got it quite right. I'm looking at my paper. Give me that paper, Marge. Thanks. Let me see here. We got,
Marge?
I said, I'm looking at the paper. It says right here, I need some snow and some gumbo. We having a Christmas party.
Oh.
So it's like, you know, we need snow and some gumbo.
We do Christmas parties.
And Marge, you done ordered a jumbo hoe with some mistletoe to go.
Yeah.
What is up with that? I know what you need. You need a hearing aid.
About no gumbo.
You need a hearing aid for Christmas.
Well, let me ask you a question. I could probably, you know, arrange for my hoes to make some gumbo. You know,
that would be
they're
nice.
Jumbo, but it'd be a jumbo.
Some jumbo hoes with some gumbo?
Well, no, jumbo. Yeah, jumbo hoes with some jumbo gumbo.
Well, hold on. I've heard of jumbo shrimp that we put in the gumbo, but not no jumbo hoes making no gumbo.
No, we have no shrimps, just jumbo.
But if they come, they got to bring the toe.
Oh, toe comes with everybody. Yeah, this is an accessory.
I like that. Toe with the hoe?
The toe with the hoe all the time.
To go.
Every time you go, there's
for
a toe with a hoe.
For sure. Because let me tell you something. It's going to be off. Oh, yeah. It's going to be off the chain. We're going to have this Christmas party.
Okay.
Let me show you our new dance floor.
Okay. Oh.
This is our dance floor. Check it out.
Oh, sweet.
We got plenty of room over here.
Okay.
But now, not only is the dance floor, we got a place right here for the band.
Oh.
The band is going to be off the chain.
Wow.
And you said, what about, you know...
Is this enough room for dancing and a band?
We got room for the band and the hose.
Damn.
Matter of fact, we can put a pole right here.
Pole?
A pole.
Oh, pole's extra.
Oh,
can you afford it?
I can afford it. Cause check it out.
Well,
we got Santa coming from the North Pole, and we're going to have a South Pole.
Oh.
With some hose on it. So hose on the pole.
Go down the South Pole.
Yeah.
On the hose with the jumbo, with the gumbo. Ooh, they can eat gumbo while they're going down the pole.
For sure.
See?
That's what I'm saying.
That's working. You know, this is really nice, too, because if you lift it just a little bit, you got a little headrest here for my hoe.
Oh, that's nice, yeah. Let's keep that in mind.
Okay.
Now, listen, you know what? Do me a favor. I'm going to let you use my new phone here.
Yeah.
I got a new phone.
Let me call my jumbo hoe.
I got a new phone here.
Connection.
I think something happened to it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
something happened to it big time.
My new eyeball phone.
Don't you mean iPhone?
No. This is the eyeball phone.
I never heard of eyeball phone.
This is way up. This surpasses the iPhone. This is the eyeball phone.
How do you use an eyeball phone?
It's complicated.
Oh.
You got speed dial on there. See, check it out.
It's creepy.
Speed dial.
This looks like my last client.
Hello? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you was on the line. Hey, Mr. President. Hey, how you doing? No, I'm gonna call you back.
Say hey, Big B.
Yeah, that was the president.
Oh yeah, that's Big B.
This phone is awesome.
Big B like jumbo hoes.
It does a lot of things. It can call some hoes, for sure.
Oh.
So listen, on the way out,
be careful. Coming?
He might be there. I'm gonna call him back.
Oh, cool.
But be careful when you step out, because you know we had some casualties because it's a lot of ice. I don't know if you saw the ice.
Yeah, I saw the ice. I was just curious though how there's ice with no snow. Cause didn't you want snow with the hose and the jumbo bows? Well, wait, no bows. We could wear bows with our hose and mistletoes.
Well, you know, some people don't think this is an office, but you know, we have a lot of magical things going on here.
I think it's a nice office.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
I do. You know what though? The elevators don't work.
Oh, we installed a new elevator right here and a staircase.
Oh, sweet.
The elevator and a
Next
staircase.
time I'll come in the hatchback.
Nice.
Sweet.
Good idea. Okay.
Okay.
Listen.
So you want the hose with the mistletoes, but you want jumbo hose with gumbo. So you want a jumbo gumbo making hoe that can dance down a South Pole with mistletoe in the snow.
And no hose on the floor.
Oh, no flow? Okay.
No hole on the floor.
Okay.
For show.
No show.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right.
Rock it. See ya.
Be careful.
Ice.
Watch the ice.
You. Okay.
Watch the ice.
Oh, watch the ice.
Watch the ice.
It's slippery.
Oh, hold down. We gotta hold down. Hello? Oh, you alright?